So if you're struggling to grow as a small YouTuber, then I made this video especially for you, and please watch till the end because these things that I'm about to share could be silently hurting your channel without you even realizing it. So these are mistakes I see so many small YouTubers make, and some of them almost made me give up too. I am Carole and I talk about YouTube and online growth to help small creators grow smarter. So the first thing that you should avoid as a small YouTuber is being too broad with your content. By this I mean not choosing a clear niche. So one of the biggest mistakes small YouTubers make is trying to create content for everyone. When your channel is about everything, YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your videos to, and viewers don't know why they should subscribe. So for example, let's say you post a cooking video today, and next a football review video, and then a random trading topic after that. So your videos might be good, yes, but YouTube doesn't know who to show your channel to, and viewers don't know why they should subscribe because they don't know what's coming next. So my advice is growth becomes much easier when your message is clear and not too broad. So the second thing that you should totally avoid is inconsistent uploading. So this means uploading today and then disappearing for like 2 weeks. So like for me, I'm guilty of this somehow because during the Christmas season, I wasn't consistent. Now one thing about YouTube is that it loves consistency, but consistency doesn't mean daily uploads. Please understand that. It means choosing a schedule that you can realistically maintain. So even one good video a week is better than posting random. However, if you post one video a week, be sure to break down your long form videos into shorts and schedule them for uploads before you can upload your next video. And because you want to gain those watch hours fast as a small YouTuber, also try to do live streams in between and also make them consistent. So another thing is that consistency also helps your subscribers predict when they will get the next video from you. So the next thing that you want to avoid is bad looking or unattractive thumbnails. You could have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail is weak, nobody will click. So your thumbnail is the first impression. So use simple, bold, emotional thumbnails. Believe me, they work best, especially for small channels. Now one thing to avoid in your thumbnail is clutter, tiny text, and dull colors. So the next mistake that you should avoid is weak or confusing titles. Now your title should make someone want to click immediately. Titles that are vague and maybe too long or don't clearly show any value to the viewer will kill your CTR. So always ask yourself, why should someone click this video instead of the next one? Is my title good enough? By the way, if you're finding value in this video, please take a second to like the video. It really means a lot to me. And it also tells YouTube to show this video to more small creators who want to grow. And if you want to grow your channel the right way, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos in future. The other thing is not having a strong hook in the first 10 seconds. Now the first 10 seconds of your video matter more than anything else. So if people click but leave quickly, YouTube assumes that your video is not good even if the rest of it is amazing. Now if you remember, I started this video by saying if you're struggling as a small YouTuber, then I made this video especially for you, and please watch till the end. Now this is the type of hook that I'm talking about. Start with a problem, then a promise to help, or something that makes people think I need to hear this. So the fifth one is talking too much before getting to the point. Now long intros will kill your retention. Viewers don't want a long story before the value. They want help like right now. So get straight to the point, deliver value, then introduce yourself quickly, and then continue with the video. So the next mistake that you completely want to avoid is comparing yourself to big YouTubers. Okay, I used to do this a lot and it made me feel so stuck. So comparing your channel to creators with millions of subscribers will destroy your motivation. Believe me, it will, so please don't. They've had years to grow and we're just starting, and that's all. So focus on improving one small thing with every video. Your growth is coming. But they know what I realized? Many YouTubers start getting noticed after one of their videos goes viral. And that's when viewers start scrolling to check their other older videos, and just like that, their growth starts checking in. So your day is coming. Just keep uploading, learning, and improving. So another important mistake that you want to avoid is ignoring YouTube analytics. Okay, analytics are not scary. In fact, they should be your best teacher. Your analytics are literally telling you what to fix. Like let's say your impressions are high but the CTR is low. It means YouTube is showing your videos to people but they are not clicking. And this means you need to fix your thumbnail, your title, or both. So for me, I find ChatGPT so helpful with this because I upload my thumbnail there and it gives me genuine advice on what to change on my thumbnail. And I also upload my title and it gives you a variety of titles to choose from. So your analytics can also show you if people are clicking but leaving early, which means that the retention is low. And you can even see where they clicked off and try to fix that in the next video. Okay, no YouTuber is perfect, so we are still learning and it gets better with time. So the next mistake that of course you won't make because you're watching this video is quitting too early. Now growth in YouTube is slow in the beginning for almost everyone, and that doesn't mean that you're doing anything wrong. Now most channels don't fail because the creator wasn't good. They fail because the creator quit too soon. So don't do that same mistake. When you start avoiding all these mistakes that we've talked about, believe me, you will start noticing growth and there'll be no reason for you to quit. So we've talked about 9 mistakes to avoid, and the last one is not treating YouTube like a skill. Now YouTube is a skill that you learn over time, like creating clickable thumbnails and titles, having good hooks, and learning the skill of storytelling. They all take time. Now I believe every video is practice and every mistake is feedback. So when you start treating YouTube seriously, YouTube starts taking you serious. So tell me in the comments which one of these mistakes are you guilty of, and remember you only need to fix 1 or 2 things at a time to start seeing progress. Subscribe to my channel if you want to grow smarter and not hard. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and I wish you a quick growth and may your star shine very soon.